Hello everybody, Sean here again with another quick video, this time on something you need to be able to do if you're going to be dealing with fractions, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Being able to change a top-heavy fraction to a mixed number, which is something you need to be able to do. If I've done a few examples and show you what I mean, if I've got 13 over 4 to start with, if I want to make that into a mixed number, in other words I want a big number with a fraction beside it, yeah? I look at how many times does 4 go into 13? Well, if I go up in 4s, 4, 8, 12, 4 is going to go into 13 3 times with one remainder, one left over. And the bottom number of this fraction, which I'm going to put underneath here, stays the same. So if there's a 4 over here, then you're going to put a 4 over here. I'll show you how that works in another example. If we have something like 15 over 2. So again, if I count up how many times does 2 go into 15, it's going to go 7 times. 7 2s are 14. So what's the remainder going to be on this one? It's going to be 1. Again, I put a line there, and my bottom number is going to be 2, the same denominator, yeah? So 15 over 2 is the same as 7.5. I'll do one more to show you what I mean on the last example. If I have 90 over 20, if I count up how many times 20 goes into 90, it goes 4 times. 4 20s are 80. What's left over? 10. So my bottom number stays the same. That's going to be 20. Now if you look at this, you might see you can actually cancel it down a bit further, 10 over 20, because obviously both of these numbers divide by 10. 10 divides by 10 and 20 divides by 10. So I can write this still with a big 4, with a 4 here. These two are going to cancel down though. 10 divided by 10 gives me 1, and 20 divided by 10 gives me 2. So I end up with 90 over 20 being equivalent to 4.5. That's all you need to know for this example.